last lesson, we ended on an F sharp with finger 4 in the right hand and an F sharp with our pinky or finger 5 in the left hand. We're going to take it right from here, starting on this F sharp with our left hand. We're basically going to be arpeggiating an F sharp major chord. So with our pinky on the F sharp, we're then going to go to an A sharp with finger 3, and then a C sharp with finger 2, and a higher F sharp with our thumb or finger 1. And we're going to be holding down each note as we play. So F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Finger 5, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to take our thumb from our right hand, or finger 1 on the right hand, and play another A sharp. Okay, so we have F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp, all with the left hand, and then an A sharp with the right hand, followed by a C sharp with finger 2, and an F sharp with finger 4. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F sharp. So, from here we're going to release our thumb and play that A sharp again. So we have the following. And then we're going to go to an A sharp with our pinky, followed by another A sharp with our thumb, and C sharp with finger 2. So we have and then we're going to move our pinky down from the A sharp to the G sharp. And then we're going to play A sharp, C sharp again. And then F sharp with finger 4. And then an A sharp with our thumb. Fingers 5, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 4, 1. Now I just want to add in a couple extra left-hand notes in there. When we play this high A sharp, I'm going to release the thumb and play it again. So we have and I'm going to add just one additional left-hand note. Again, when we play this F sharp with finger 4, we're going to play that same F sharp in the left hand with our thumb again. So we have let's do it one more time. I'm going to add in that initial F sharp with finger 4 with our right hand. We're going to hold that down for 3 of the notes that we play in the left hand, like this. Again. Next, we're going to move our pinky from the F sharp to a B here, and we're going to play B, D sharp, F sharp, holding all of them down. B with our left hand pinky, D sharp with finger 3 in our left hand, and F sharp with finger 2 in our left hand, and then we're going to play the higher B with finger 1 of our right hand. So again, we have, and then from the B with finger 1, we're going to play a D sharp with finger 2 and an F sharp with finger 3 of our right hand. So we have, and from here we're going to release our thumb and play that B again, and then the D sharp again with finger 2. And then we're going to play a B with our pinky, this higher B. So again. And then back to the lower B with finger 1. And then to the D sharp again with finger 2. And then the F sharp again with finger 3. So. And then B again with the thumb and D sharp again with finger 2. So we have. And then we're going to play the high B again with our pinky and the low B again with our thumb. So we have. And I'm going to add in 2 extra notes in the left hand. I'm going to release and play that F sharp again every time we play that high B. So it looks like this. The F sharp with the high B. And again. All right, let's do it from the beginning. And then I'm going to finish this part by going to an A sharp with finger 4 and back to the F sharp with finger 5 in the left hand, where I'm going to repeat that first part, but we'll save that for the next lesson. Again, from the beginning. Now we'll finish this by adding the pedal. I'm basically going to release and press down the pedal every time I play a new note with the left hand. So it'll be like this. Pedal, 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 pedal. Again. Pedal, pedal. I'm going to do it one more time with the pedal without saying pedal this time. And finally, let's play the whole song up to what we know from the very beginning.